Hello, my name's Nathan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get more leads from your Google ads, your Facebook ads, your organic traffic, and what the problem is, why people are not filling out forms, why people are not filling out surveys, and what you can actually do about this to increase your lead flow potentially by 5 times in about 5 minutes. The reason why I think that you should probably listen to me is because I've been doing this stuff for 10 years. I've helped hundreds of businesses make money online running ads, and I learned how to do all of this running my own businesses. So I'm going to give you some pretty practical advice that you can actually go and apply to your business and get some pretty dang good results. So the first thing that I want to show you is what happened that we were actually getting less leads. So I'm going to show you the example from my website. And the first thing I want to show you is just a basic form that many people use. And hey, this is a pretty good offer. Get more customers or you don't pay. I was running ads to this, and sure, I generated some leads, but the conversion rate wasn't as good as I wanted to have. And we were getting results from other businesses that we were running ads for in a similar manner. We were just using a basic form and a basic offer. But we found that actually these are not converting very well in 2026. And the reason why is with rampant amounts of spam and things happening and businesses that are not delivering on their promises, people are deciding they're not going to provide their information on forms anymore, mostly because they're worried about their information getting sold or they're going to start getting spammed. And this typically comes from those lead generation sites where you're looking for a service and you put your information in, and then all of a sudden you've got 10 people calling you. So people aren't putting their information in these forms anymore. So I did a little digging, I did a little research. This was the one query that actually showed me that I'm going to have a better experience if I just use a dang chat form to get leads. But it can't just be any chat form. The chat form has to be set up right. There's so much stuff that has to go into that. So, I had to solve this problem for my business and for my clients, but it wasn't solvable realistically. We tried different chat forms. So we have a go high level chat form that we tried. We tried like Typeform. There's HubSpot has some. There's so many different businesses have chat forms, but they're not made to generate leads. So we didn't actually get any better results just by throwing a normal chat form up, which means that we had to actually build something that was malleable and that could be implemented fast, and it just works. So 3 to 5 times better is generally how chat forms work in comparison to lead forms and surveys. We did find a lift when we added chat forms, but not enough to justify continuing to run them above the form or the survey. They were just too hard to set up. So what Adonally did, this is my agency, what we actually did is we built our own chat form that was basically made to be as sticky as possible, get the most leads that we could possibly get, ultra configurable to where even if like I go and refresh the screen, you'll see that copy changes because we can run split tests on copy, and we have AI in the background to just figure out exactly what copy needs to be used. We promote champions in our testing, and we can even test the first message and the chat flow. Everything is testable here. And what we actually found is that we could reliably and simply get 3 to 5 times better conversion rates from our Google ads and our Facebook ads just by implementing this. And then that in turn turned into more revenue. What we aim to do is just make a nice conversational chat form that will be very sticky and get people's information, where visitors can ask questions, they can get their questions answered, but they can also enter their information. Here's the actual dashboard where we set this thing up. But I think the coolest thing about this is our ability to test and find winning copy. It basically creates the headline, subheadline, first message. And then if these are enabled, it will actually rotate this copy directly into the page to start testing, and it gives it a score. If it's got a higher score than what's currently configured, it'll automatically rotate that headline, that message, that subheadline in. So your landing page or your conversion rate just increasingly gets better and better and better. So it's available if you want to try it. You can actually go to this site here, adonally.com-chat, and you can build your own. It's free for 7 days. You can actually see if it's going to get you better results than what your form is already getting you. And I just recommend you give it a shot. I think if there's a possibility you can get 3 to 5 times better conversion rates by implementing this, and you can do it for free, then it's a no-brainer. So I hope that this has been helpful, that you have learned something on this video. So hey, if you like content like this, if you like people showing you how to get more leads, more conversions, better results from your Google ads or Facebook ads, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and just leave a comment if there's a video that you think I should make with 10 years of experience in the marketing game. Thanks for watching.